straighten this up, you know, with the light, and then I'm trying to line these up, and there, I got it. Ugh. All right, so I mean, you can do that. I've kind of gotten the hang of that over time, and then, you know, you're good to go. But an easier way. All right, guys, I'm in the studio today. I'm going to show you how to mount your softboxes onto your flashes. There's really no proper way, but just from experience, I can tell you there's easier ways and there's more difficult ways. So I tend to try to, when I'm in the studio and I'm in a hurry, I try to take shortcuts, and I pick the more difficult way, which is trying to mount the softbox on the light as it's mounted. I'm going to turn this around so you can see, like, I'm in the studio, I've already got, you know, my lights mounted, it's on, you know, my stand, it's all good to go, and I'll try to come up here and I'll try to grab the softbox, and there's really no easy way to grab it, and try to get it on here and try to, you know, get it in those slots and everything, those Bowens mount slots on there, and I can do it, you know. It's not, you know, it's not that difficult to do, but sometimes it's a pain in the ass, and, you know, people are watching you do it and you're kind of struggling sometimes, and, you know, I feel kind of stupid sometimes. So there's definitely an easier way to do it. So I'll show you. First, you want to get a softbox. You don't want one of the old school kind that you got to build, where the wires are all, you know, you got to build it and everything. You just want one of the kinds that pop open and collapse down real easy, like an umbrella, right? So I'll show you that first. Real easy to open up and close. I use these glow softboxes. They're real easy to use. Here's the actual glow softbox here, and you can see it's I think this is a glow 38 inch. So you got the Bowens mount right, and that is what goes on to the mounts in your lights. And you can see these receptacles here will match up with the mount here on the light, right? So those will slide in there. But the first thing you got to do is, this is a collapsible softbox, and it will open right up just like an umbrella. So let me show you that. All right, so this is the 38-inch glow beauty dish. Try to show you on the inside. It's double diffused, right? I'll get a close-up of this, what I'm looking at, but really all you got to do is, once you put your diffusers on, you push it down, you line it up and sometimes this is probably the hardest part of the entire shoot, and it just clips in just like an umbrella, right? So this is what I always do. I'm always trying to, there's a little zipper here. I'll open that zipper up. Try to, you know, find a place to put my hand in here and kind of grab this thing so I can grab it. But then my wrist bends backward as I'm trying to straighten this up, you know, with the light. And then I'm trying to line these up, and there, I got it. Ugh. All right, so I mean, you can do that. I've kind of gotten the hang of that over time, and then, you know, you're good to go. But an easier way. All right, so an easier way. Just put this like this. Takes a second, but you come up, take your light off the stand, right? And you take this and you line it up just like this, and boom, it's on there. And then I can just come up here and put this on the stand just like that. Super easy. So, I mean, the first way, it didn't look like I was struggling much, but some days I do, trying to line it up. And I mean, obviously, like, this is pretty high. Trying to mount it up high, it's easier if you do something lower. You know, another thing you can do, and I'll show you this if you're like, I'll show you on a strip box over here. All right, so here I've got a strip box. And what you can do also is, you know, put this a little bit lower, right? And let gravity help you out a little bit. Put this like this, and instead of me trying to be up here doing this, trying to mount it, just do this, And you know, this ring kind of turns freely because I lost the screw in it, so I do have to do this, but it's a little easier. I can just come in here like that, and it just goes on. Much easier to do, just like that. So another way to do it, and that's all there is to it.